Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for our Middle Eastern omelette, I've got 2 eggs in this bowl. You could use 3 if you're super hungry. I'm going to get a pinch of salt in and then just a couple of tablespoons of water, which is a new trick I've been using for my omelettes. It's really great because it just makes the texture of the omelette much lighter without being having cream or making it heavy. Like it's just cleaner and lighter. I really like it. So just give that a light whisk, and then we're going to make our za'atar oil. So za'atar is like a Middle Eastern spice blend with sesame seeds, sumac, and thyme, I think, or oregano. One of those two, dried, mixed in together. So it's really, really fresh and zesty and lovely. So I've just got 1.5 teaspoons in there, and I'm going to put a tablespoon of oil in. So then good pinches of salt in your spiced oil. And if you don't have za'atar, you can make it curry oil with some curry powder, or any spice blend that you have lying around. Or my favorite Stone Soup spice blend of equal parts ground cumin, coriander, and smoked paprika. Or you could just make cumin oil. That would be lovely. Then I've got some hummus ready to go, and we're going to cook our omelette. So I've had that pan heating up, and then I put a couple of tablespoons of, probably just need 1 actually, it's probably a bit much oil, in the bottom of the pan. And when it's starting to shimmer a little and you can feel that it's hot, then we can get our eggs that we prepped earlier in. And that's actually good. If it's really sizzling, like the more gentle you cook an omelette, the better the omelette tends to turn out. So for this size pan and for 2 eggs, you don't really need to stir. We're just going to let it cook gently. But if you're using 3 eggs, sometimes I cook for a few seconds and then stir and then let it sit. So it's literally, the work of minutes, a couple of minutes. So when the eggs mostly set, there's this little bit of runny stuff there and there. That's looking pretty good, so we're going to get the heat off. So the trick is here, we want to kind of roll the omelette out of the pan and onto our plate, so you get that nice kind of omelette sausage. But don't stress about that too much. And then to serve, we're going to get our hummus. So a few good generous tablespoons, depending on how hungry you are. And then I'm going to drizzle over, give this a swirl, and drizzle over my nice za'atar oil. You may or may not want to use it all. I quite like it. It gives a really beautiful flavor, but if that's too much oil for you, I understand. And then just some lightly parsley or salad or tabbouleh, whatever you've got to serve. And that's our Lebanese omelette. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.